Hello, guys. Welcome to this episode. This is your go-to code guy, Wisdom. And in this episode, we are going to be testing, or we are going to see how to test or verify if our program type is a digit type. Okay. So in a particular previous episode, we saw how we could check if a program is an alphabet type. But there's also a way that Python uses to check if the program is a digit type. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this episode. Okay, before we go, let me also state that this is the interpreter interface. Okay, we are familiar with the editor interface and the interpreter interface, and we are making use of PyDroid 3. PyDroid 3 PyDroid 3 application allows us to code in Python programming language. Okay, so what we'll quickly do in this episode is to find out if our program or is to know or find out how Python checks or tests if a program type is a digit type. Okay, in order for us to do that, we make use of something called isDigit method. Okay, so we have a program on our screen, a as a variable equal to, in parentheses and in quotes, 56666. Okay, it's obviously a digit, but we want to find out how Python checks this. Okay, in order for us to find this out, okay, we use the variable, remember, just as we did with the alphabet, testing for alphabet, variable dot or full stop or whatever you know that as is digits. Okay, parenthesis open and parenthesis close. That's all. Okay, just as we did for alphabet is alpha. So this is different, is digit. Okay, so in order for us to verify this, we hit on the enter button. The enter button is the arrow, the curve or curly arrow beneath our keyboard. When we hit on this, it returns true. If this were in alphabet, it will return false, like we saw in the other episode. So that's it about this episode, guys. If you are just joining us, I've been able to make a catalog. If you are watching on TikTok, of strings, we are treating strings. We've been treating strings. Okay, so I've made a catalog for strings, and we have tens of videos out there. And then if you are watching on YouTube, I've made a playlist, okay, for this particular topic. All right. So for this episode, I don't think I've missed out anything, but if I have, I'll always be in the comment section and the description. Bye for now, guys.